Hey guys, this is Chris here from N Shyne Auto. Welcome to my first ever unboxing video on YouTube. And just wanted to promote my auto detailing business, N Shyne. You can find me on YouTube and on Facebook. I'm here doing an unboxing video. I just basically ordered a box set from Carzilla.ca. Now, if for all those who don't know Carzilla, you can get a bunch of different products on there. From all the well-known brands, you get Chemical Guys, you get Gion, you get CarPro, basically all the detailed brands that everyone loves and has come to love, including Turtle Wax as well. Now, very first here, I got my box yesterday, again from Carzilla, ships out of Calgary, as you can see. Just getting my handy knife here to open it with you guys. As far as the shipping goes, they are pretty quick. It took about, I would say, a little over a week to get my product. Again, here in British Columbia, we did just get a snowstorm, so there was some slight delays. So in the box, apologize for the closeness, but in the box here, again, fresh unboxing video. Just got a few products as well. Now, I'm trying all these products out. I've never tried them before. They're brand new. And a lot of it, I'm going to give a shout out to Pan the Organizer, who's also on his own YouTube channel. He's got a lot of detailing videos. I love watching him. He's been detailing for over 20 years. And he's got good tips and tricks to detailing nice cars and doing professional auto detailing, which I'm going to be starting soon. So in the box, as you can see, I have the Foam Pro 2. Now, this is just a foam sprayer. If you take it out of the box here. Do one at a time here. So this is a foam sprayer. Basically what it does is you can concentrate all your solutions here. What I bought it with actually is going to be the McKee's. So you can see it's a rinseless wash here. And it's got some condensation. It's been cold. So as you can tell, it's been shipped. So McKee's 37 and 914 rinseless wash. It's basically a 4-in-1 formula. You can do it as a rinseless wash, a waterless wash, just based on the concentration that you have. So I'll put that aside. Again, I'll be using it with this Foam Pro. What I'll be doing most likely in the upcoming videos is showing how it works and doing proper reviews on the products itself. This one I'll be doing as a pre-rinse before I actually fully soap and wash the car with a mitt. So we'll put that aside here. So again, it looks like this. It's a nice sprayer in here. If you open it up. Again, all this has been purchased through Carzilla. So it's pretty handy. You got your knob here, you got your pump spray, and then your dial to adjust everything. And it's got a few colors here just to differentiate what kind of products you have in there, and different nozzles as well. So we'll put that aside. Just wipe this down a little bit from the condensation. Again, thank you guys. This is Chris from N Shyne Auto Detailing. So next thing I also got, it's going to work with my polisher that I bought, which I'll be reviewing as well. This is from CarPro. It's Reflect Super Fine Polish for high gloss mirror finish. So this is just going to be kind of a one and done. Doesn't leave a lot of dust when you polish the vehicle or your car with a dual action rotary polish. Next in the box, I also got a wash mitt. It's a microfiber wash mitt, so fully synthetic, heavy resistance wash mitt. Acts as a natural wool mitt as well. It's from Gion. So again, Gion's a really good brand. They have a lot of ceramic coatings these days, same as CarPro and other expensive brands out there. Now again, since I've been looking at videos and trying to work on the polishing skills and everything, I got just some tape for the car. It's by CarPro as well. It's just detailing tape to cover up the headlights to protect the paint from any scratches and swirls while you're polishing. Now another thing I got, I actually got this specifically again from CarPro. So I've been looking for something to fix my windshield. My windshield, when I purchased the vehicle, it had a little scratch from the wiper that's kind of smeared through the driver's side. So it's negligible, but basically when I'm driving at night and a headlight is shining against my windshield, you can kind of see a little bit and the distorted vision there. So just been looking for something to kind of polish it out. I've been asking numerous businesses and they're telling me that, you know, I got to replace the windshield, but I would say that's absolutely ridiculous, having to replace a windshield there. That's with a minor damage like that. So again, I was looking around, and again on Carzilla, I found this Car Pro product here with a crazy amount of bubble wrapping. So this is Siri Glass. It's basically a glass polish and cleaner, cerium oxide based compound. What it does, it polishes. Now cerium oxide polishes fine swirls in glass as well, so you could use this. Again, I purchased this alongside with just a hand scrubbing or polishing pad here for the glass itself to smooth out that minor windshield scratch from the wipers from, I assume, the previous owners. And I believe with all those products, that's basically it. Again, thank you for watching my first video. I'll be posting more videos on the reviews of all these products that I buy. Again, Car Pros is great, and I got the spray and everything else. And again, I just want to give a shout out to Pan the Organizer. Check him out on his YouTube channel. He's got a lot of views and great tips and tricks for detailing the business. And again, if you need any of your detailing needs, Carzilla is great as well to be finding all your products out there, all your products detailing needs. I'll be updating more to my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook. Thanks again for joining in on my first YouTube video.